Hi friends, this is Amol Bhatt from Vidisha Infotech. This is our fourth video of Tally Prime. We will be starting from where we have left. So let's get started without wasting any time. Yeah, there was a holiday of 2 weeks, but now I'm free. I had some work, so let's get started. So first of all, we will see here. In a previous video, what we saw was this trial balance, and what I told you all that you have to perform this trial balance at your own. So I think many of have failed to perform this, so I will be helping out how to create a trial balance in Tally ERP, Tally Prime or Tally ERP 9. So first of all, what we will be looking at the trial balance. What are the contents given in the trial balance? What are given in the debit side and what are given in the credit side? So bank account, deposit accounts, that is 40,000, the cash, opening stock, then sundry debtors, then we have creditors also here. Sorry, that's debtors only. Beg your pardon. And then here we have sundry creditors. Creditors means the liabilities side, and debtors means the asset side. Means they are our assets, the debtors are our assets, and creditors are our liabilities in this trial balance. And here we have done profit and loss account and total account. So what we have to balance is that 55,18,950 rupees, and the data is been given here. So I will be showing you 3-4 examples, and after that you have to perform the transaction by yourself. So here it is. Your work is to create the about trial balance in Tally Prime. I will be creating and explaining 3 to 4 entries, and rest you have to complete and mail to my mail ID provided in the description video. Be careful while performing the entries, and think and perform, as some entries are very tricky. After the completion of balance sheet, you can share the screenshot of your trial balance in Tally Prime through my email ID. So let's get started. I will explain you first, and then we will perform the transaction. Now, assets. There are current assets, which is now here given is P, that is primary group. So what you have to create is bank accounts. So the ledgers will be bank accounts and deposit accounts. So bank accounts and deposit accounts, you will see here it is. Bank accounts and deposit accounts, it comes under the asset side, current asset side. Then we have cash in hand, that this is a primary group, and the ledger is petty cash as shown in the table, as given in the table. then we are having opening stock, and then we are having sundry debtors. So here's stock in hand, that is stock ledger we have to create. Here it is a tricky one. Here the stock is already given in the tally prime. So while creating this, someone might get error that it already exists. So what you have to do is to take that existing one into your assistance. You have to use that present one in stock. If in case it is already present, if not, you can create the stock under stock in hand, and then we can create sundry datas, that is CompuCare system, Data Link Technologies, Spectrum Computers, and Supreme Computers. So these are our sundry datas through which we will be getting our money. Now coming to the assets, fixed assets. So buildings ledger we have to create, but before that we have to create a new group, that is buildings, which we have done in our previous lectures. In our previous videos we have done how to create new group, new general ledger, how to assign the primary group, primary general ledger, and so on. So here we have two new groups, that is one is office equipment and one is buildings. So buildings new group, it will comes building ledger will come under buildings group, and its primary group will be fixed assets. So fixed assets will be the primary group for this type of ledger. So after that, this is complete, the asset side is complete. Now we will be coming to the liabilities side. In liabilities, what we have? Duties and taxes, which is a primary group. Under that we will have to create a sales tax ledger. Then in sundry creditors, you have to create challenger system, Horizon Enterprises, and Silver Plus Computers. After that, in the current liabilities primary group, we have to directly create a ledger, that is tax deducted at source. Then we also have got loans and liabilities. Under loans and liabilities, we have got secured loans. Under secured loans, we have to create mutual trust loan. And then finally we have to use the capital account, that is equity capital ledger, as a capital accounts assets primary group. Sorry, beg your pardon, liabilities primary. Okay, so is this clear to everyone? You can go through it. I have got this file in my Google Drive link, so you can download it in the description of the video and access it. After this, coming to the incomes, then we have sales account. In that we have computer sales, component sales, and printer sales. Okay, so these three general ledgers are sales account, where we sell computer sales, component sales, and printer sales. Then indirect incomes, that is P, that is primary ledger, and then it is bank interest. It comes in incomes. After this, we what remains is the expenses. So expenses are as follows. Yeah, expenses means purchases. So computer purchases, printer purchases, and simple purchase. Then we have got direct expenses, that is wages, project charges, indirect expenses, that is our salaries, the office costs, then depreciation. We have to create a new primary group. So that's it. You have to create all this and you have to mail it by Sunday. This is a project for you, and so you can submit that on Sunday. No issues. You have got 5 precious days. You have got 5 days, so you can do it very freely. No time limit is set. There is 5 days you are remaining. And I hope you have all understood this and you will be able to do this. Why I explain this? Because in further you will not have any problem while creating such kind of ledgers and all that. As in office you have to deal with this every day. So let's come to our next part. Here it is. Here is the screenshot of, here is a list of ledgers which I have created. Here are the entries also done. For that you can expand this, but it becomes blurred. Yeah, it comes in the other page. That's why I was not expanding it. Yeah. So this type of trial balance you will have, you will be getting, and what you have to do, you have to click a snapshot of this in your Tally Prime account and have to provide me in my email ID. So let's do some entries. As I said, I will be doing some of the entries for you. So I will be doing bank accounts, deposit accounts, petty cash, and opening stock. I will open Tally Prime. So I'm just taking some time. Yeah, it's open. Create ledger, that is bank account. There it is. Yeah. Bank account, that is 35,000. here we can provide the values. If you want to do it perfectly, you can give the account details, you can fill the account details, no problem. So here's 35. That is, and it comes directly in the debit side, and you have to accept yes. So here it is. Now the second particular was deposit accounts. So yeah, what was this? This was deposit accounts, bank accounts. Yeah. Oh, it was a previous video. So deposit accounts comes under bank accounts only, and it comes again current assets. So its value is provided 40,000. Then we have petty cash. Cash in hand. Which is 500 rupees. Then again we have an opening stock, that is 22,86,150. It was the value, it was 2,86,150. So I have done with it. I've shown you how to create in the general ledger, means how to create the trial balance now, and one by one you have to put on the entries. I have to perform the transactions as it is, but you have to be careful while doing this. So hope you have understood, and I will be getting some positive results from your side. Hope enjoy your day. Bye, have a nice day, stay